Congratulations to Time with Jorcyils. We just passed 100 subscribers. Yes, I wouldn't have been able to do this without this amazing subscribers. I want to say may God bless you all. Thank you very, very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yes, for giving me this amazing 100 plus subscribers. Yes, I know we can do better. We can get to 1,000, get to 10,000, 100,000 subscribers. Yes, we are going to celebrate it, because I know when you celebrate every of your little win, you will continue to grow higher. I want to use this short video to say a very big thank you to this amazing subscriber that are really supportive. All right, I want to urge you, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Help me to share this video. Help your girl now. Help me grow this channel to 100k subscribers. Yes, and we're going to celebrate it here also. I want to say may God richly bless you all and meet you all at the point of your needs. Continue to watch Time with Jorcyils, and I promise to give you amazing videos. Hit on the subscribe button today. And also don't forget to hit on the bell notification icon for more interesting DIYs, baking, cooking videos. Okay, until we see again, I just want to say thank you all, God bless, and bye bye.